This time we want to install the Bixolon label printer. First of all, unbox your printer, connect it to power and to a USB port, preferably at the back of your computer. There's more power from those ports. And turn the printer on and you should have two green LEDs on the steady on the top of the printer. Now, depending on where you've got your New South Wales install folder, mine is Faculty, Office, Stocktake Admin, New South Wales Stocktake folder, Hardware, and then the Bixolon printer. If you wish to run the program, and we go next. And because I have already installed it here before, I get this message. Generally you won't, because it'll be either a re-image machine or a new machine. So we just go choose yes in this case. And next we want to install the print driver and we want to choose the USB port. And now it's looking for the printer. So at this point we turn the printer off. I'll count to 1, 2, 3, turn the printer back on. And you get this next screen appear. We don't need to check any box here, just choose install. And we go next. And they succeeded. What we want to know, we don't want to install on the printer, so exit. Now the next thing is to go into the printer driver properties itself. I've actually got control panel as a shortcut on here, but if you just go to your start bar and type in control panel, you'll come to this screen here. Minimize that, and then we want to choose our devices and printers. Now, the Bixolon SLPTX400. So right click on the printer and choose print properties. First of all, we choose preferences. And let's come over here. So the speed, we want to make it as slow as possible because we're printing on labels. Darkness, we want to change to resin, because that's the type of ribbon we're using. I like to just change it to millimeters. So what we're used to, and rotate 180 degrees means the labels come out the correct way up. Don't worry about changing the paper size, that'll be done in the label itself. Apply that, and then we go advanced setup. Nothing there to do. Right, so apply all that. Now go back in. I want to go now to advanced and printing defaults here as well. We do the same thing. So speed is 3, darkness is resin, millimeters, and rotate 180 degrees. Apply that. And now we're done. We're ready to use the printer. So the next part will be to install Label Artist software.